In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset Lively account password. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.lively.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Lively. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to reset your password, what you have to do is go to the login interface. In order to do that, click on this option, account and activation. Now you'll be able to find two options, my account, activation. Click on this option, my account. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface of Lively. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. But since you want to reset your password, what you have to do is find this option for forgot your password. Once you do that, click on it. Now you'll be able to reset the Lively account password. What you have to do is simply enter the email over here. Click on the field of email. Now enter the email address associated with your Lively account. Now once you enter the email, click on this option, send reset link, that you can see on the screen. Now a reset link will be sent to your email. What you have to do is go to the new tab and type in gmail.com. Press enter. After you do that, Gmail will be opened. What you have to do is simply find the email sent by the Lively. You'll be able to see the email, click on it. Right now I'm not being able to receive the email, but you'll be able to receive the email, and in that email you can see the reset link. Click on it and you'll be able to reset your password. All you have to do is enter the new password and confirm it. After you do that, your password will be reset and you'll be able to log in with a new credential. So like this, you'll be able to reset your password. So that is how you reset Lively account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.